My husband has been taking this lunchbox to work for a little more than a week now, and he really, really likes it for a number of reasons. First of all, the fact that the insulation works really well is a bonus for him. So a lot of times he has to pack his food at night and then he goes to the gym, takes a shower at the gym, and then goes to work. So it's really good for if you need to have your food sometimes sitting in the car or sitting somewhere where it's not going to be refrigerated. So that's a bonus because of how well insulated it is. You can even feel like how thick it feels in here. He also loves it because it's super spacious, okay? He eats a lot. So if you are someone who is going to be packing a lot of food in here, whether it's for just you or for you and others, this thing is very spacious. I mean, he can literally fit like multiple pieces of Tupperware in here, as well as like fruits, veggies, snacks, etc. Like he really gets a lot of stuff in here. And the other main reason is because there are so many pockets. So he's pretty simple. So like most of the stuff goes in here, but sometimes he will also use some of the other cool features. So like, for example, you can see they have some like some areas up here just to make things more convenient. So like, for example, they have these little pockets up here where if you just need to quickly like drop in, oops. So they have like these little pockets up here in case you need to just like quickly drop in like a spoon, a fork, a knife, or whatever. They also have these little hooks right here. So maybe you want to make sure you don't lose your keys, or you're in a hurry, you're low on hands and you just need to attach it to something. You can also clip things on here, which is really nice. And then it also has these super convenient side pockets. So like sometimes, again, if he's like in a hurry or like he needs a hand, he can just like slide his cell phone in here. You can also use this for snacks. I mean, obviously you can use them for whatever you want, but again, it's just so convenient to have all of these pockets. You have another pocket here on the back. So this one is a zipper pocket, so it's really good for in case you want anything to fall out. It's also pretty deep in here. Like I can get my entire hand in here. This pocket isn't super spacious, but still a great option for even more storage in case you need it, if you needed to store something small last minute in there. The other side has the pockets as well, so you have those on both sides. And then here, when we get to the top, let's zip this up. Once you have this zip, then y'all, you have another pocket here up top. So here is another place for storage. So I like to think of this as a good place to keep things that you're probably not going to be taking out that often. So it could be something like spare cutlery, spoons, forks, knives, but it could also be like packets of like electrolytes or like tea, or, you know, things that you just want to make sure you always have on hand. I feel like that's a really good place to put either in here or right in here. And if you need even more space, I mean, I'm telling y'all, spacious in pockets is the name of the game when it comes to this bag. If you need even more space, you can unzip this all the way. And then it gives you even more room. So, I mean, this is great for lunch. This is great for if you're maybe headed to the beach, if you are going on like a road trip, and like I said, you're packing food for either just yourself, the whole family, friends. I mean, honestly, it's such a great lunchbox. The sizing, the pockets, all the things. So yeah, we 10 out of 10 recommend this one.